Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I am going to show you a quick, precise, and professional way to draw a perfect half circle in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's dive right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to a blank slide. Go to the top ribbon and click on the Create Insert tab. Click on Shapes, and under the Basic Shape section, choose the Oval tool. Here is a quick pro tip. To make sure you draw a perfect circle rather than an oval, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard while clicking and dragging your mouse. Now, we need a second shape to slice this circle exactly in half. Go back to Insert, click Shapes, and select the Rectangle tool. Draw the rectangle right over your circle, making sure it covers exactly one half of it. You can adjust the edges so it aligns perfectly with the center points of the circle. Next comes the crucial step. First, click on your circle to select it. Then hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on the rectangle. It is very important that you select the circle first. With both shapes selected, navigate to the Shape Format tab at the top. On the left side, click the Merge Shapes drop-down menu. From the list, choose Subtract. Just like that, the rectangle completely cuts away half of your circle, leaving you with a flawless half circle shape. You can now go to Shape Fill to change its color, remove the border by selecting No Outline, and use the rotation handle at the top to angle it however you need. And that's it. A clean and simple method that works every time. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more straight-to-the-point technical guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.